Amazing day, everybody. Welcome to my episode 2 of the wellness journey. So, we are on our way on a healthier lifestyle. So, what I'm going to share today, it's also still related to physical health, and you may not like it because it's a big topic. But yes, this is one thing na I stopped eating na rin, and it's not religious, okay? But yes, this is yung pig. So, we all know na yung pig is one of the unclean animals, and it's stated on the Bible too. So, for us to be on the way to a healthier lifestyle, may mga pagkain na talagang hindi na magandang kainin, right? And it's been more than 3 months na rin na hindi na ako nagpo-pork. So, I know, paborito ko yung sisig, sinigang na baboy, pork adobo, at marami pa. Right? Lalo ng lechon! Oh my goodness. But I'm sorry. It's due to the divided hoof na meron ito. So, yung dumi o yung mercury pumapasok sa katawan ng baboy, sa meat niya, nag-i-stay pa yan kahit gaano pa binoil yung baboy or nakasugba. But do your own research. And that's one thing na why we're wondering marami nagkakasakit, right? Maraming high blood or any other kinds of diseases. It's because of of course, sa tinitake natin and sa kinakain natin, lalo na yung baboy, yung pork. So, yeah, it's I know it's not gonna be easy for most of you, kasi ako tapos na. Na-stop ko na siya. But yes, you can eat beef, chicken, it's good. But not the big one. And yes, that's why merong yung mga sakit na na-mention ko kanina. So, but again, to a healthier lifestyle, i-partner mo yung ating amazing pure organic barley, as it can help to lower your blood sugar, yung cholesterol mo. So, it's a good source ng healthy journey or wellness journey mo, yung ating amazing pure organic barley. I don't want to talk more about the thing because I know it's paborito ng marami. So, again, do your own research about that. And it's on Deuteronomy sa Bible. And yes, I recommend if you have not started to read the Bible, do that, as in order for you to know and how to manage your life. Everything is written on the Bible. So, kailangan nating all of us na alam natin or nagbabasa tayo every day. Even just one chapter or one topic a day, but you do it consistently every day. And yeah, that's what I've been doing too every day. Nagbabasa ako. We need it. So it's one way that we communicate sa source natin, si God, sa life natin, as we cannot do anything without Him. But back to my main topic is about sa pagkain. So, maging aware lang tayo, maging try our best na kumain ng masustansya at of course yung healthy na food, right? So any questions that you may have about sa amazing barley, let me know. And right now I can feel I can feel the thing about me telling about the pork, but I know you already know that, right? You already know that. Again, I don't want to talk more about that. But again, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you on episode 3. You have a great day, guys.